back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxy unboxing. I don't know. I'm wearing the same makeup that I did on my other video, which is my makeup look in memory of Kobe, his daughter, and the rest of the passengers. So I'm kind of shooting like 2 videos in one day. So yeah, but anyway, you want to check out that video on how I did this look and just talk a little bit and just kind of fast forward that part, go ahead and check that video out as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open. I got this kind of late for some reason. Normally I get this kind of pretty, like a different date, like a pretty I'm all tongue-tied. I usually get my box earlier than what I got it this month. But anyway, here's my Boxycharm. I already opened it because I want to see what I got in it. I have only used one of the products. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and there's not like a thing for me to get ready with this except for one thing or 2 things. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get this video started. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's just a subscription that you pay monthly. You get about big full-size products. I think about 5 products, if I'm not mistaken. Something around there. I mean, I've gone more than one, I think, perhaps. Or it was just like 2 masks or something. I don't know. I just know that you get like 5 products more or less. And yeah, so let's go ahead and tell you guys what I got in this box. The theme for this box is breaking the ice, and it looks like this. This is the card. It tells you what I got and the price for each product. So we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. I'm already in my pajamas, to be honest. I just didn't take off like the bra and the underneath shirt because I'm gonna shoot a video. But once this video is done, just take everything off and just relax. So anyway, I have my fuzzy socks already, and it's already kind of late at night, but I wanted to shoot this video because I do have some things to do tomorrow, and I just don't want to go another day without uploading a video. So let's go with the first thing. So the first thing I want to talk about is this right here. This is by Skin & Co. This is it says Truffle Therapy. This is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage, and it says made in Italy. So this is what this product looks like, and I guess it's just like exfoliating your face. I believe it just says oh, it has like different ones. So this one says it's over the face, neck, gentle massage with circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding eye care, remove with damp lukewarm face towel, pat dry. Okay, so yeah, it's just it's like a treatment. It says a micro exfoliating, so that's what that does right here. That's what it looks like. It is sealed. I haven't used it. I will go ahead and insert probably a video of me washing my face with this on. So that is that, and that actually is for $28. I'm trying to see what the whole thing is. Okay, so the next thing we'll talk about is a product by Too Faced, and it looks like this. It says a diamond light. It's a diamond fire highlighter. So you open it like this, and it looks like it's like, ew, it's so cute. It looks like it's gonna say like, will you marry me? You know what I mean? Like a ring box or something. It said, it's your time to shine. And then you pick this open up like this. Oh, it's like a little button right here. So I'm gonna pop, right? Maybe? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. It just has that on there. And then it looks like this. This is the little highlighter. It has like a little bit of gold and pink in there. It's pretty cool. Let's see. There, you want to see my nails underneath there, but you can see. Can you see that there? Like, you see the highlight? Yeah, you can see it. It's really nice. It's really, really pretty. There's no scent or anything in it, but I've never had a Too Faced highlight before, unless it's part of a palette. But like on its own, I never have. I've had their blushes and stuff. So that right there, Too Faced, is going for $36. Ooh, wow, that's best pricey. The next thing is a Mana Kadar. It's a beauty simplified. I guess it's a lipstick. It's a lip whip, and in the shade of Faith. And you're gonna open it up, and that's the product right there. Let's see. Ooh, I like this color. This color I do like. This is really pretty. That's what the shade right here is. Ooh, I like it. And it feels really nice on the hands. I'm wondering if it's going to feel really nice on my lips in a little bit when I put it. Oh, anyway, that is actually going for, where are you? 21 bucks. 21 bucks for that thing. Okay, so this is the product that I've been using since I opened my box like 2 days ago. And this is a Power Up Doll Face Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. It filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. I say it might look a little bit pumped up, I guess. It glows, hydrates, and energizes. So that is that. I actually like this. It says right here, use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh dried skin. Let's go ahead and do this right now too, though. The scent, there's really not a scent. It's kind of very, very light, kind of like if you go to like a spa. That's what it is. But I don't know what this is. Like, you see like the, like, kind of separates. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Maybe you're supposed to shake it. I don't know. I just, the glow where it's gonna like really make your skin like dewy, we're good, because I have oily skin, and me and dewy spray, no. The next thing is Dr. Brandt. This is the 24/7 eye cream. This is what that looks like right here. It says with ruby and crystal complex, and it looks like this right here. It just says recommends using ring finger apply bone area. Okay, I know how to apply this, but that and that, I really don't use any eye creams. I should, because I'm getting older. I don't see any lines yet, but knocking on wood, hopefully not till later on, but I am already in my 30s. So I mean, I'm in my 20s. No, I'm just kidding. I am in my 30s, but I need to use that. And that is for, hello, Piper, my dog. Holy moly, $55 for that thing. Wow. Okay, so that is these are the products that I got in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and wait till tomorrow so I can use it, but this video I'm gonna like go like, okay, now let's get into it. It's gonna be the next day, so you guys can see me trying out these products. I am gonna try some of these tonight. Like, I am gonna try out this mask right here to exfoliate, and I am gonna try this eye cream tonight. So I will be doing those tonight, and then the setting, the highlight, and the lipstick will be tomorrow, so you can try that out as well. So yeah, that is it, and then let's get this video started. So my face is wet, so we're gonna go ahead and try this skin Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Phase Gommage. So we're going to put a little bit, and it looks like this. So we are going to try this out. And I could feel the little grinds to it, which is fine. Oh my god, it smells like coconut. This reminds me when I used to go visit my aunt in Dallas, and she and I would go to like her whole skin, like shampoos and stuff would smell like coconut, and like her sunblock was coconut. My aunt is like a very active person. Like, she loves to be out in the wild, like what is it, jet skiing and going fishing and stuff like that. So with her husband, my uncle, when she met him, he had a jet ski, and we would go, and we would I would get sunblock from her, and it smelled like coconut, and oh my god, it smells so good. Next, we're gonna try this 24/7 the eye cream, whatever. It's with Ruby Crystal Complex. So we're gonna try this out and see how this works. I mean, I don't have any lines or anything, but I am getting older, so prepare. So I'm just gonna put this it says on my ring finger, so I'm just gonna apply this, and then to the corner it says. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. I'm not going to show you like me doing my makeup because I'm so excited because this looks so pretty, but I got a new palette, and if you saw my Snapchat, you know what palette it is. I'm not gonna talk about it because I'm going to do a video of me using the palette, and this is the first time I use the palette. And I'm like excited because like there's so much stuff in that palette that I chose this, something more like subtle, more so like tomorrow I can do something like more bright or whatever. But it's different. It's a palette that I don't own. I've never had anything like it, so I'm excited to show you guys that palette. But you guys will see that palette tomorrow, or that video tomorrow. So anyway, this is the look. But so we're gonna go ahead and go back with the products that I got from the Boxycharm. So the next product that I'm taking out is a Too Faced Diamond Light, and this is a highlighter because I don't have highlight any on because I'm gonna use the products that I have in Boxycharm, which is the whole point of this video. So you take this out, it's like a little ring, and then here is the little highlight. So it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. I don't even know, I've never used this highlight before, or from Too Faced, and I don't know how like extreme it is. Wow, just that little bit. It's very pretty. Okay, and I know my hair is crazy. Yeah, my hair is crazy, and just here. So today is gonna be like a day where it's just gonna be me and Dad. My girls are going to San Antonio with my parents to go see my brother for his birthday, and I was gonna go, but I have some other thing that I need to do, and yeah, so we just decided just to have like mom and dad time. The kids are gonna be with my parents, and so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, so this is the highlight, and I actually really like it. It's nice and like really pretty. So the next and last, oh no, one more product. So this is the next product. So this is gonna, normally with this look I would do like a nude, but this is a new lip product, and it says that it helps with it's called a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, formulate with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips, which is something that I need because my lips are always dried. Now, the texture of it kind of reminds me of NYX or NYX, however you say, those lip products, which is very, very pretty. So it could go with this look. I normally would just probably put my mannequin lip lipstick from Jeffree Star. This is what I've been wearing a lot lately, but this lip color is really pretty. So the next and the last product is going to be this Power Up. Now I've been using this since I got my box, so yeah, but I really like it, and it just says it glows, hydrates, and energizes. I wasn't really up for it because it says glow, but actually it's just pretty good. So I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, and then there we go. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, make my bun a little bit better, because I don't feel like straightening it or curling it. Just gonna put it up. I'm not gonna go anywhere just to pick up the kids from school and just get something to eat, and then just be home and yeah, watch movies or play a game. I've been crocheting a lot, and yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just get dressed, and then I will be right back. Okay, guys, so that is it for the video. I'm already dressed, have my little bun, have my new shirt. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys like this video. I don't know. So this Boxycharm, I normally would tell you like my rate, like if it's one of like on the list of my favorites, or not so good, or it's okay. I'm gonna have to say that it's not like one of my favorites. I really love when I get palettes. Brushes are like my go-to. Lip products is a plus. Setting sprays are a plus, but palettes, like since I've been with Boxycharm, I've always gone a palette. And I've always every now and then I would get like a lot of brushes, which I love. But it's okay. I mean, it wasn't my favorite, but that's just the way it's gonna be from now and, like, you know, every now and then you'll get a box where it's like, oh my god, amazing. Then you'll get a box that's like, it's okay, you know. And that's just the way it is with any subscription that you subscribe to. But yeah, this is the look that I did with some of the products, which is the setting spray, the highlight, the lip product. What else did I get? I did the face wash, and I did the eye cream. But yeah, this is it, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.